This is hello, hello, Chilis. We are back again. We on episode number 4, eh?
Yeah, no, on episode number 4, and it's quite amazing because people have been following greatly, and on our last episode they've been commenting.
People are commenting, yeah. I saw a lot of comment there, people coming in, and even commenting what kind of, the
content that we can share.
Yeah,
you understand?
That's awesome.
They're like, guys, I think you need to speak more on this subject and that. I think we should actually do that podcast on manhood.
On manhood.
Yeah, we really need to do it.
Yeah, that is a response.
In fact, we must invite Mr. Patrick. We must come there.
Yeah, no, you will come.
You know what I'm saying?
So that is a feedback from our previous episode. So if you did not check it, just go scroll down below on this channel. You'll find the episode where we're talking about women. And inside the topic, we also engage briefly about men. And today is quite amazing because we have a special guest. For the first time, we have a female guest. The first guest in our podcast.
The first guest is a woman.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Melanie, actually, but I'm a 25-year-old model, photographic model.
Okay.
Let's not confuse us.
No, you want that part,
Yeah.
Let's not confuse us.
Wait for it.
She's tried it.
Wait for it. Check
Start
that
again, please. Can you just start version? You showed that some flames behind the scenes. What did you want to say there as well?
Alright, my name is Melanie Bodibane, a 26-year-old model. I'm a photographic model for Bethany Media. Check out my website. So it's www.melaniebodibane.co.za. Just go there and then you shall see me.
Yeah, that's the thing.
No, I want that one. That the first one, that one. Do it again.
That's why.
That's the one.
Why are you depriving our viewers now?
So what inspired you, Melanie, to actually take part in modeling, and what's happening? What's up with all this modeling thing?
What's going on in your life, Melanie?
Thing is that I started as a model, runway models. I did character modeling.
Okay.
And then I decided, oh no, this is not me. And then I went to photographic model, doing my own thing, going solo, although it's not good and it's not easy. But it's worth it. Trust me.
Why you say it's not good?
It's not good because
you went on Instagram. I think we will share your link below. Just people go on Instagram. The pictures are good. You're doing well. So what is it that is not good?
The thing is that when you're going solo as a photographic model, people take advantage of that. And I'm female, and we're still celebrating Women's Month.
So what advantage is that?
What are you trying to say? Because you're modeling. Who's taking advantage of you?
Don't be scared. Don't let you. What is temper dancing?
Yeah, why you like that?
No, he's a bad guy. No.
Now people are telling advantage. Where you started? Where you started?
Some other freelancing material.
So, no, it's not you guys. No, relax.
So we wanted to clear that one. So people don't get it twisted.
We actually wanted the truth.
Yeah, no. It's very important.
Yeah. She's not saying anything personal. I've got her.
Uzokhuluma naye afterwards. After hours and we were talking what's happening.
No, guys, no. You're taking good care of me, actually.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Nice. Now, guys, we'll share Melanie's Instagram account, and so that you can just go below. Also, we'll share the website so that you can check the pictures. And if you are a company that deals with clothing brands, stuff like, or you are an aspiring model and you like what you see on Melanie's website, she's in business, so you can just follow through and click on the hair contact, call her. I believe that she'll answer.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Are your DMs open though?
And tell us,
I do it depends.
You reply to DMs.
Like I won't just answer to anybody. Business only, please.
Oh, it's strictly for business, no?
Stick to business only.
That's wonderful. But what if now there's a guy that wants to slide in, but he wants to do the other business? The other business.
From the get-go, How? It's impossible.
I mean,
I'm not even giving you a chance.
all right. So yeah, I think Melanie is a very interesting character, guys.
Yeah, no, tell us about. She was dancing earlier,
She was
guys.
dancing earlier.
Behind the scenes, a lot of things which are happening.
Yeah.
Melanie was doing.
She was doing a tribute dance to Kilaka. So she danced to that Zekete challenge. I wish guys we could show you. Like, yo,
Yeah,
that was a vibe. Like,
you know,
Come here.
we also tried to do it. So and it felt good, you know, when we were doing it behind the scenes. And now, like watching the video, I'm like, this is not what we felt when we were doing the dance.
you know, after watching the video, you know how it felt like.
I gave up. I quitted right on the spot.
It's too early to give up, eh? Too early.
It felt
I'm
like
not going back. I'm gonna speak on podcast.
it's better with talk, you know?
Hey, we better we talk.
Because then it felt like that video was a scam. It's something we ordered online, and now we find out when it's delivered, it's something that really we did not order.
So Melanie, yesterday I believe that yesterday you guys were busy at where you work. I don't know if we should market your workplace.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Continue developing anything I'm a client, but whatever they're doing, how did it go?
Trust me. Everything was wonderful. We did a women's seminar. So we had Mrs. Ranape, a woman that owns 3 Sasol garages.
Oh, wow.
So, and then we also have
You must look at us, Pela Makuluma.
That's why she's focused. Like she's
Yeah,
man, like, I'm trying to, like, hey, Melanie,
like, hey, talk to us.
Relax, man.
Relax, yeah.
Alright. So yes, as I was saying, we had Miss Ranape, somebody that owns a lady actually, and a mother that owns 3 Sasol garages, and then we had Miss Imalahleni 2020.
There's employment.
The big time. She haven't said that actually. That's the good
The
part.
sponsorship must speak to you.
Yeah, no, some sponsor, man.
So, and then we also had Miss Imalahleni 2021 finalist, of which it was Sihle. And then we had somebody from a Gateway.
Stars
Gateway
Community
Church,
Christian.
Sihle Ntunja.
Yes.
Yes. It was amazing. Actually, our students were motivated from there, and then we had feedback from all of the guests. All
Okay.
the gifts also.
Oh.
So
You know that.
you missed out. But we were laughing.
So the good kids, what kind of gifts? Like, you know, so we can call them and just find the gifts.
Yeah, hey, we must hit them up. Maybe we can share the key.
Yeah, maybe we can share those gifts. So, but what inspired the event?
What inspired the event is that can I actually start by saying what made it unique is that we invited men from the residents due to the fact that we appreciated men because they protect us, they love us, they
So
take
women
care.
do appreciate men.
We do.
So actually, you invited men because you appreciate them.
Yeah, that's
Why do you appreciate men? You know, like these days, like, you know, you go to social media, you find men like
trash.
have been lashed out, men are trash, and this, not the mask, not that. And you guys, men is a red flag. You know, all the bad things like we just said on the social media about men.
Yeah.
So you guys are coming up with a new strategy, which is, I find it so fascinating.
Yeah.
Why are you appreciating men? Why are you appreciating us, actually?
Wow! So we appreciate men due to the fact that we're looking at an era whereby men, not all men are appreciated. And then we decided.
Are you appreciated, innocent?
Yeah, I mean,
You get a plate when you get home, you appreciate it.
I mean,
That's good now. Yeah. You know, you see, it's growing as well.
That's good actually.
Yeah.
So we appreciated men due to the fact that in this era that we're living in, we find less men that are good actually.
Okay.
We're just showing that there are still good men out there. So not all men are the same. So yeah. That's why it made it unique actually.
Yeah. It's like, you know.
They had to spray paint their
Hey, I saw
the men
it
had
on
to
social
spray
media
paint
and
their
stuff.
hair.
Yes.
Oh, their hair was actually looking like mine. In a way.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
It's almost when I was qualifying there. Why didn't you like innocent come and get your gift?
But you heard earlier behind the scenes that we are actually invited for the crowning of Mr. and Miss Khaled. So are we getting VIP access?
Are we getting VIP access?
We would like to come and broadcast live there, podcast with the winner. Maybe Innocent might get the win and live with the winner.
Is there something that I should know? Is there something that I should know?
Innocent. Maybe Innocent might win the winner.
Maybe I might also become the winner.
Oh, maybe you can be the winner. So is it open for external people, outsiders?
Not now. Not yet.
But you said you were also going to contest, ne?
Yes. I'm still thinking about it. Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet decided.
Yes, because due to the fact I'm a photographic model, let me stick to what makes me happy. So I decided to stick to what makes me happy. If only it happens.
Have you done pageantry before?
I have.
Okay, so it didn't make you happy.
No.
Okay, stick
It
to what
was
makes you happy. You wanted to find out first, because you cannot say something doesn't make you happy while we have not tried it.
Yeah.
I think it's fair.
Just have to try.
We've done it before.
I've done it before.
Oh, okay,
It was terrible. I was terrible actually. So I decided to stick what makes me happy, and I also decided photographic is the thing.
It's the thing.
All right, so what's the date?
We haven't confirmed yet. Immediately when we confirm everything, and then we'll do it.
But we'll know first, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll come. We just loved being guests and to be appreciated. So when you get there, please get us a VIP access. You can organize transport for pick us up here from here. All right.
Actually, we need like a motorcade.
Yeah.
She must not just bring one car.
Yeah, just 2 or 3 cars or 4, so that we can. We need a call.
No, just for me and Timber.
Yeah, the other one will be security. The other one will have security. But let me not give the details because they might be under risk. You understand?
We don't want to disclose too much.
We don't want to disclose so that they don't understand. But we are coming. Khalid resident students, we will be there, and Khalid is quite a nice resident. Actually, it's one of the residents that we fought for.
Really?
I fought for those residents. Now, innocent, we used to strike and stuff. Understand?
We slept outside.
It's a story for another thing. We fought for that resident. Firstly, we rejected it. We rejected it because we wanted to keep Mabaling resident. So that we keep Mabaling. After keeping Mabaling, then we started opening negotiations because they wanted to give us Kale in exchange of Mabaling residents. So we said, no, we're not going to do that because Kaletu by that time was still horrible. It was still under maintenance and stuff like that. It was still in a bank center and stuff. But now it was under maintenance. But now it's quite nice, I've been there.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. You can see that at least there's life.
I see they're treating you well.
Very good.
She's well
treated. It's a place to be. It's a place to be.
And I saw there's a gym as well.
Yes, there is.
Is it open for outsiders?
No. Unfortunately.
You know what? Kali does it. No. We want to come to contest. They say those odds not open for us. We want to. They say thumbs up, thumbs down.
So guys, we never spoke about Kylie to anyway.
No, in fact, we cut it off now. We're not talking about Kylie too.
It's COVID protocol.
In fact, we are going to stick with men being appreciated. We cut off Kylie too. We stick to that. I think what you did, guys, to say you appreciate men is quite important because I saw yesterday and day before yesterday there was something which was trending to say an LLB student, final year student, female, she was cut into pieces and was put inside of the box. And that thing it brought back this thing of gender-based violence against women and stuff like that. And I started seeing a number of people saying, I'm a daughter, where they put everybody in a blanket, of which I'm not quite a supporter of that, because if innocent does something wrong, it's not I'm a daughter, it's innocent who does that, and we must address it as innocent we have done it. So guys, thumbs up, we are appreciating men.
Thank you,
At least you guys, you are not like every man, you still acknowledge the few that is still like you guys, you're still good, you're still protecting us, and we appreciate that, you know.
Yes, this is us saying thank you, and this is us saying we acknowledge you. This is us saying we are against the fact that all men are the same. We are just against that because obviously I work with men.
You work with men.
Yes.
So
let me get you. Let me ask. Do you have a man in your life?
No, I'm single. Single and not available.
Oh,
please.
Are you mingling?
Are you singing and mingling?
Are you searching?
I'm not even
singing.
I am single.
What single is this one?
Single. I'm not mingling. I'm single.
Oh, you're
I'm not
single.
available.
Not available.
Yes.
Okay. No, interesting. But you've been maybe in a relationship before.
Yes, I have plenty.
Oh, plenty of times.
Yes,
huh?
I wouldn't lie about that.
What do you mean by
You have exes that we can write off here.
No, not like that. Like
What do you do? Let's name drop them and trash them.
Yeah, let's trash talk this guys. No,
not all men are the same, guys.
Not all men are the same,
Yeah.
So it means you had actually a nice relationship, the past ones.
I have.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay.
wonderful. At least they haven't broken your heart, you know. Because a lot of people like
don't know.
once they break up, like you, their heart are in pieces.
Please come beside the beach.
They're in pieces.
Like, yo.
So,
No, but I'm just fascinated about the fact that Melanie says, yeah, guys, we can be off the scene and come back
On the scene. Yeah, we just try to
It's the podcast. It's the Children Grill. Remember, guys, to subscribe and share.
Right.
Remember also to comment.
Yeah, comment.
Where's Melanie? There's
And I mean, if
something
you
which
also
is
want to be
a keyword.
featured,
Please comment. We are available, guys.
We are available, guys.
There's a keyword that
We are
Melanie said.
reachable. Yeah, what did she say?
Plenty. So, Melanie, can you please describe plenty?
okay.
And you said you're not gonna lie about it. So, yeah, describe plenty.
Okay. I've been in relationships.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
You've
Yeah.
been in the
Yeah.
ships.
Yes.
Oh, you've been on those shots.
Not cheating,
Yeah.
but relationships.
Oh, so you've been
Yes.
cutting this one next to the other.
I don't cut people.
Oh, they cut you.
I
Sure.
just
You've been cut out. Yo, man, you're broken.
Is your heart still fine there?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
At
Absolutely.
least you still have your heart though.
Yes.
And your smile.
I have no choice. I have no choice.
Remember, this is a chill and grill. So the
Yeah.
grill part, we ask the hardcore questions. So
Yeah,
if now
that's
we
the
want to be
hardcore
part of the
questions,
podcast,
You must know that
you must know that
you
we're gonna ask
gotta be crowd like you.
we're gonna ask you the most difficult questions. So
Yeah.
tell us. Platform is yours. What happened?
What happened? Like you.
What happened?
Okay.
Which relationship are you talking about? The last relationship or the relationship?
Because she
before
had
the
sheep,
last
this
one?
one.
No, let's talk about the sheeps.
Which one are you talking
The
about?
one that broke your heart the most.
Yeah.
The one that broke my heart.
Is it the last one or the second last one or the third last one?
No, I don't even remember. I don't even remember.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, healed
Okay,
now.
Temba.
That's good.
Let me ask this question. What's your overview on love and relationships?
Okay, number one, I do believe in love. Because I've been loved. I know how it feels to be loved.
Alright.
So that's not a problem.
Podcasters, take notes.
So
Yeah,
Take
no.
notes.
What's my pen? Anyway, I'm not gonna write it down for now, but you guys can write it down.
Take notes, please,
Yeah, take
guys.
notes. Yeah.
yeah, so I've been loved. I love
Yeah.
people. I believe in love. So it's not a problem. Loving is not a problem.
Okay.
Just being in a relationship.
That's the problem.
Maybe for me it's a
Yeah.
problem.
Okay, why do you think it's a problem?
For me, I'm not ready for such. I don't have time. I'm a busy woman.
I mean, you make time, Melanie. That's an excuse.
Maybe I don't want to. Maybe I don't want to. It's
I
just
mean-
priorities changed.
Okay.
Priorities changed.
So you're planning to be out of the ships for how long? Like what's the plan? Like what to do?
At least 2 years.
At least 2 years, ne?
Yeah, at least 2 years. Maybe I'll be ready to get married by that time.
Yeah.
So when are you be out and as soon as you get in, like you wanna get married?
No, it'll take time, obviously, but then
It will take time.
what I'm saying is that I'm willing to stay in that relationship.
Yeah. But
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. So, you know, grillers, Melanie says, on the next relationship, she's willing to stay. So if you are looking to stay, you understand?
For a stayer.
Yeah, for a stayer, and you are committed relationship.
going to be a stayer.
You want a lady who is slender, a bit tall,
Beautiful smile.
photogenic,
Dark and beautiful.
you understand? So she's a model. She's here on the mingle and single-lingy.
Single.
By the way, Innocent is single too. Yeah, Innocent is single too. Yeah.
All right.
Is there something I'm missing here?
Yeah, no.
Like everyone knows. The thing is, everyone knows Guri, I'm singing.
Yeah, but she doesn't know.
I didn't know.
She can't be our guest and she doesn't know our podcast videos, you know? So, like, that's like...
Fix it.
This part, I
We are
didn't know.
protected, Melanie. We are protected.
I didn't know this part. So.
Alright, guys.
And we'll tell his number.
Okay.
No tool, his number. Like, maybe your neighbors, who knows? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, grillers. We are still on the Chill and Grill podcast. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.
But anyway, this is our culture.
Yeah.
We're minging on the show. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Melanie?
so we're putting you out in the market instead.
We're not trying to put you in the corner, you know? Like, relax. Don't be scared, you know?
Yeah.
I see you guys.
Yeah.
I see you.
Yeah, so I'm the only one who
Married and happy.
So yeah, you know, guy, I'm not happy as
What is wrong?
something. I just checked something the Orlando Pirates decided to throw with Stellenbosch FC. Imagine our first game since throwing. Imagine coming by like number 16 and stuff like that. But we were just hoping that Chiefs loses tomorrow. Then Pirate will be above. You cannot afford that the Chiefs is above.
So now you guys are betting on Pirates.
No,
I mean, against the Chiefs.
Yeah, no, Chiefs must lose tomorrow. So, it must draw. When they draw, then on the Pirates will be at least above Kaizer Chiefs. You understand?
Yes.
You agree with that?
But we're here about Real AM, you know, Bantuko teams. Do you follow soccer?
No, I'm not a fan of soccer.
Which sport do you follow?
What sport do you follow?
I prefer cricket.
Oh, you prefer cricket?
Yes.
Yeah, you are. I don't want to say it.
Obviously, Slapha, number 4. Yes.
At least
It looks like it's rocket science today, but
no. To me, cricket is more like rocket science. I'm still trying to understand it. You understand? Because my wife loves cricket and stuff like that. So if maybe you can just take us through. Because the only thing I see.
Are getting along.
You understand?
So,
yeah.
The only thing that I see, they just hold the ball, they go back, they run, they throw it, other one bat, it goes half. Then they say, then the ref will be like, are you celebrating or what's happening? Then or maybe if the other one catches it, then the other one goes out. How? Okay, I see what's happening. I don't understand how do they come to a point say 2, 3 or 5. You understand? When soccer you score, it's a goal. You count as 1.
That's so easy. Then what's the use of just watching something? It's not even challenging.
Okay,
I mean, let's go to the cricket part.
Okay.
The moment they bowl and then you just hit the ball and then there's a line.
Yeah.
That line, maybe it says it's a 4. And then when it goes outside the stadium, actually, then it's a 6.
It's a 6.
Okay, sing it, guys. She loves cricket.
So if
So now you know. Perhaps if you want to take her out, you must take her to a cricket match.
So who's your cricket player crush?
I don't have.
You don't have.
But do you have a crush there?
No.
Like in
life.
Don't know. You can shoot a shot.
I do,
no one would actually.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. But I can't say the name, unfortunately.
But just
Is it a normal person like Innocent and I, or is it a celeb somewhere there
it's not
on
a
Twitter?
It's a normal person.
It's a normal person, actually.
A normal person. It's not us.
It's in us. We are celebrities. You understand? We're famous.
It's a normal person.
Oh, it's a normal person.
It's a normal normal citizen
Yes.
that pays taxes and all these things.
Yeah.
South African citizen.
Describe it. though. Give us some
Khaled.
hints.
With thank you.
Khaled.
No. No.
His name starts with S, ne?
No. We're not going there.
Alright.
We're not going
But tell us more about this guy, man. What makes you to crush on him? What? Like,
He's
yeah.
tall. He's my type. He's tall.
Oh, so-
He's handsome. He has a vision, actually. That's the most important
Yeah.
thing. He's a vision, and
How do you know his vision? Because we are like,
Are you sneaky on him?
we chat.
Oh, brother. I think if you are tall, handsome, but we haven't seen you, so we cannot judge on that. But if you think you're handsome and
Dark.
tall and dark and you have a vision,
and you have a vision.
does he have a car?
No, he does not.
He does not have a car.
Is he working?
No,
he's not working.
he's self-employed.
Self-employed.
Okay.
Is he
So
doing
that's
well?
where
Oh,
the
it's
vision
getting
comes
there.
Well, that's the
Yes.
vision that you like for him, eh?
Yes, somebody that starts his own thing. So I can't be dealing with a man that is working 6 to 6, unfortunately.
That is not your man. Like,
No.
okay,
You're the
just,
type.
now.
Guys,
she only likes men that are self-motivated, you know,
Yes.
self-employed, hustlers,
Men that start their
type.
own thing.
and finish it.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so yeah, if you are
So,
a self-driven
yeah,
man,
yeah.
tall, dark, not light skin, obviously you're not gonna make it. And you're not doing 6 to 6. You're that guy. So what is he doing? What kind of business is he into? It's too much information.
Maybe we can support him. You know?
We can support
Yeah, I want to buy something. We're
Buy.
actually gonna support him.
Yes, to him.
No, don't make it obvious. Like, just tell us. you
Tell
know.
us.
I mean, it's his assumption anyway. Like, you did not say anyone's name here.
Okay,
Like,
he's a man that gives.
oh, he's
He's
a
a man
giver.
that gives. He's a giver from
Okay.
what he has.
Oh, but what is he selling? What are he selling?
He's not selling anything. He's actually
Or he gives to receive.
that kind of type of
What is
man.
that? What is that?
Okay.
What is,
Matenda.
what is a tender man like you? A tender man like you?
No, I don't do tender men, unfortunately. But if only he is into tenders, then if it's him and Ugma tender,
Yeah.
it's not a problem.
Timber, I think
It's
you're
not a
right.
problem.
That is also good, man.
Yeah.
Tell me something, man, Melanie. I want to ask. I think I asked this thing yesterday. Let's say, for instance, if a guy comes to you and wants to propose to you, do you expect him to say he loves you?
Yes. Not the first time, not the second time, but immediately when you feel like you love me.
Yeah.
And when you say it, let it be genuine, but
Yeah.
see the song I love you, we get tired of it, honestly, we get tired of that song. But say it genuinely.
People are tired.
Say it genuinely.
I'm
so.
actually writing on the topic. This is not a generation for life. I mean, for love. Because people are tired.
We are tired. But
People are tired.
we hear it from our parents, we hear it from everybody,
Yeah.
but say it genuinely, like somebody that is ready to be in a
But how do you know
relationship.
now that this is genuine?
This is genuine. When you say it, I feel it too. Because
Oh, so you
want to
have the
feel
feeling in
energy,
you.
the
Yeah.
energy that you're going to give to me is the energy that I'm going to receive.
Okay, Melanie, I love you.
What just happened? Did you feel some energy?
Did you feel any energy? Like what?
A bit.
Oh, you felt a bit of an
bit.
energy.
Yeah.
You were like, yo, this is like.
Guys, I told you, leave us number. What if you are single?
We're trying to understand the perspective from Melanie. So you felt something, Melanie.
Yes.
So it's a feeling, yeah?
It's a feeling that you give to somebody. And
So it's like an instinct kind of a feeling.
yes, you can say that actually. It's safe to say that.
Okay.
But honestly speaking is that even though the instinct is not kicking in at that
Yeah.
time, the energy.
Yeah.
Love is beautiful, guys.
Love is beautiful.
Love is beautiful.
But because obviously, I mean, like there is, normally I say hyenas. Like there are guys that are predators, you know that?
I know.
That would
Yeah.
want to mess up your heart.
I know.
And for you, because you're still young, you know, like I care about women like you.
Yeah.
By the way, how do you protect yourself from hyenas, like men that would want to come into your life?
And then it touches you somewhere.
Yeah,
Run away.
So what are those values like? Have you defined your values? Like, I want to know, like, do you have defined values that you have said that, I mean, this the values not to break? This is what I can tolerate. This is what I cannot tolerate. Just take us through that.
Unfortunately, I don't tolerate. I take things as they are. I don't tolerate. Because at the same time, when I tolerate something, that means
Yeah.
sorry, it's that kind of a thing. I tolerate.
Yeah. So I tell the to you, nonsense is nonsense.
It's simple as that.
High is high, down low is low.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
you do you.
I'm a woman of value, so yeah.
No, that's wonderful.
So you just leave now. Just in a stage where you
Simple
just
as that.
you live.
It's life.
Yeah.
People live, come and go.
You see, like those people who hurt you before, they've helped you so much. You know your worth, you know your value. You don't take nonsense. You know, you had enough from the past, so like you don't take any nonsense.
But what are the experiences that what has your past relationships taught you, like, that you don't want to take into
my new relationship,
relationships and stuff?
Maybe the one that is coming.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, maybe the one that is coming tomorrow or next
After
week.
2 years.
We don't know, after 2
years.
years.
2 years.
2024.
After 2 years, 2024. Yeah, 2024.
Okay.
But it's a good thing. She's still young, by the way.
So,
Wait, 2023? 4?
It's 21 now. Yeah, it's 23.
Yeah. Okay.
But even if it's
maybe they're just being prophetic.
yeah, maybe we just
maybe that's my number.
Okay, wait. But let's say like the guy that you're crushing on now.
he comes.
It's just peaches.
I'll be back there.
You know, it just comes and says,
Like, but
boom,
Dylan, you know this thing was like you.
"May I please take you out?" Then the conversation starts from there, and you guys just find the energy that you spoke about. Are you gonna give in?
Unfortunately not. And the timing is very bad. He's a good guy, but the timing is very bad. So I won't compromise for me.
Oh, I like that.
For me, so I won't
like
compromise. I just don't compromise.
The timing is not right.
Yes.
Because I like what she's saying, Tamba, because sometimes we can meet, compatible, chemistry, and all that is there. But if the timing is off, I tell you, it overrides all these things. Even the energy. You see, already she's got the energy.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
All right.
But the timing, if it's off,
not right.
Don't do it, woman.
Exactly. Exactly. It's just at the same time, we find women hurt or getting men hurt actually in the process because the timing was very off. We find that Sen punish.
Yeah.
Which is
Izono zabanye abantu.
exactly.
Zabo Satan izono zabo Satan mntaka baba. Sifela zona izono zabo Satan. Zabanye abantu.
But personally, I also wish like people can actually get into relationships when the time is right. You know, not just because you feel it.
But let's talk about this. Then we can all say when the time is right, and somebody, maybe the gorilla out there, does not really understand what does it mean to say the time is right. So when is the right time?
Yeah, she can go. You can give us.
The right time is when you feel you have healed. It's something that you sit down and you say, my saying right.
It's all right.
Saying right. And you could see the way you interact with other male genders. My saying right.
It's all right.
I'm ready.
You're open.
So comfortable.
So that's the timing. So it has nothing to do with any other thing.
Nah.
Okay, it's just about the healing process.
The healing
Okay, when I understand, what's your idea of you in terms of the right time?
Well, it depends. For me, it's based on genders.
Okay.
Like for a male, obviously, in our context as Africans, you know, because Temba, obviously, as a man, what's the first thing that you think about when you think about taking a woman?
All right. Okay, for obviously you need to pay a malobolo and stuff like that.
You understand what I'm saying? Apart from a malobolo, but like ideally, what is a man like for a woman? you need to provide for the
Yeah,
woman,
you need to be able to provide.
You need
obviously.
to provide shelter.
But let's say, for example,
Yeah.
okay, now we are. I think we are too far now. You understand? The different stages.
Yeah.
There's dating. There's where you like, no, what now you want to provide shelter,
Well,
like going to marriage and stuff
let
like
me
that.
fix it quickly.
You know, yeah.
Let's not date if we are not ready for marriage. That's the disaster that we often do, you know?
Okay.
Because once you start dating and you are not ready, obviously you are actually leading yourself to a hard place and a rock. You're going to be stuck there and nothing is going to happen. But now, let's say, for instance, you wait until you are ready, which most of us, we are afraid to do that because we are not... We are consumed by peer pressure sometimes. Sometimes it's also a matter of because obviously you are a human being, you feel, you have emotions and stuff like that. But deep down, you know, let me ask you, for instance, you have dated people before. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But by that time, you're not ready. You know this. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay. You know,
we hide it.
yeah,
Of course.
So
because it's difficult to admit sometimes.
You don't understand other things. I
Yeah.
think it's very important that we also become honest about these things.
Yeah, yeah.
I think they're easier said than done. You
That is
understand?
true. I agree as well.
It's always easy to say, let us date because now I'm ready to get married. Maybe I have already saved money to do this and that. And at some point, that's where also other men also fell for a trap.
Let's come
Imagine
back
a guy
again.
who says, "Really, man, you understand? He has a house, he has all these things,
Yeah.
and he wants to get married. You understand? So at some point,
let's come back,
he
Temba.
might fall."
Let's come back to that point and,
Yeah.
and let me try to, because you know, relationship is my thing actually.
Okay.
I'm like, I'm the coach here, you know. Let's come back quickly. Now, if you are ready, like for instance, Melanie has decided that, she has taken a decision, and you must remember this is a mind that is made up she has made up her.
Okay.
She has taken a conscious decision and clearly to say, after 2 years, I think I would be fine.
Yeah.
Anything between that comes in, obviously she has already registered something into her mind. So what will happen, although she might maybe like sometimes between the years fall into another relationship, but eventually the mind will self-sabotage. You get what I'm saying? Unaware, because you are unaware. This thing is all happening subconsciously. Now, what I'm saying is, as soon as she's ready now after 2 years, it does not mean that she's going to get an equal counterpart that is like her. She's still going to meet like Abo Innocent, Abo Temba, Abo Sipo, that are not actually ready, you know?
Yeah.
But they would want to take her for a ride. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But now it's all the wisdom that she's going to accumulate through the singleness that she is going to be going through. You get what I'm
Also,
saying?
I think it's very important.
It needs you to be wise as
Another
well.
thing which is very important, when people say we are single, people must be single. You understand? Because you can't say I'm ready to be in a relationship after 2 years.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
It means like if you say after 2 years, you must say, okay, after 2 years, that's where I'm gonna open myself up. Because at some point you might, if it happens, you might open for other people and find these guys, they are vulnerable, and others they are really deep in love, and you just said, no, I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out with you.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna mingle with you, you know, and laugh with you. And someone falls in love with you, and when you say no, I'm not.
Yes.
You understand?
That is another challenge.
It's very important to say when you do that, you are clear about it.
I'm very clear with my decision. Okay, when I say after 2 years, vele ngiyokoma.
But let's assist her in that case.
Yeah.
Because you had me, Guti. After 2 years, it does not necessarily mean that
You
every
must
guy-
just take.
You must not be desperate for it. You understand?
Yeah.
So you must give yourself like a room for disappointment. Like it might not happen eventually after 2 years. So you must always be willing to say, well, even if it does not happen after 2 years, but I still got myself, I still have my stuff going on, and I'm not in a rush for it, you know, because once you become in a rush now, it's like you're trying to escape from yourself.
Exactly.
And when you're trying to escape from yourself now, that's where you become vulnerable to the hyenas, the predators, you know, the guys that are preying on women that are desperate like you know.
Yeah, guys. You know, this is Dr. Love, innocent Mr. Seychus. I think he forgot to introduce himself, but by now I believe that you guys, innocent.
You guys can pick it up.
Yeah, but also, guys, remember, guys, we are still on the Chill and Grill podcast, where you need to subscribe, like, and share. Also, share your thoughts, share your views.
Yeah.
We would love to hear from you, innocent. You know, like we've been talking for quite time. The guys that said they wanted a shout out.
Yeah.
So please, you know, let me check these guys out.
You know, the first thing first, I think when we start, we must give the guys a shout out.
Yeah, give them a shout out. You know,
we must not put them last.
Melanie, while we're checking these guys who want shout out, can you please give some people of your choice some shout outs?
Okay, let's see.
I would like to say shout out to actually everybody that knows me and those who are still going to follow me. Shout out to actually Letabo. One of my colleagues. I love you, baby.
It's a woman.
Yes, it's a woman.
Okay.
It's still a woman. That's why it's still a woman.
Yeah.
It's still a woman. So shout out to my parents.
No, it's fine.
Shout out
You
to
can.
my sister, my family on at large.
Okay. Who is your family?
My sister, my mother. I have 5 kids.
5 kids.
Relax.
Yeah, please make it clear, you know.
I'm an aunt. So when I say I have 5 kids, basically they're my kids.
Okay.
So yeah, it's one and the same thing. They're my kids. So shout out to them. When I see them, that's my life actually.
Yeah.
That's my
All right.
life.
So, Innocent, do you get the guys shout out
The shout outs
before we close for the day?
Okay, we've got Tsepiso Roy here.
Okay.
She was like, yo, bruh, give me a shout out there, you know. So shout out to Tsepiso.
Hi, Tsepiso.
She's actually an artist, you know.
An artist.
Yeah, she's an artist.
Okay.
She's been like a backing vocalist, I think, for some known artists for for a very long time. But now I think she has released her EP and stuff. And there's also another friend of mine here, which I call her the mayor. She's the mayor of Secunda.
Okay.
So she was like, yo, guys, I would love to join you some other time, you know. So I was like, no, Mrs. Mayor, you know.
Women empowerment.
Like, yo,
Please do come.
we are open,
ready.
you know, like, yo, we want to chill with people and we are chill vibes and we are chill people. Then there's also my other friend, Utsetliri Mashilwane. But this one, she was like, yo, I also want to be featured on the show.
But she's a traveler.
She's a traveler.
No, I saw the comment and then when you said you're such a traveler, then I went through the timeline and I checked.
I mean, now she's in Europe already.
You know, all these things. I'm like, lady, you travel. Shout out to you. Please do tell us how you do it so we can join you next time.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe we can do the podcast on one of the travel.
You know,
Yeah. So now let's get into it. Just a quick game. You know, questions, Jay, for you. So if you had time machine, where would you visit? Future or the past?
The future.
Okay. Would you rather have a home in the beach or in a mountain?
Mountain house.
What was your favorite game as a child?
As a child, it was actually Umasketo.
Okay.
Yes.
We win a blind.
You know, at the end of the day.
They are feet. That's called like, you know, growing up I used to play that thing as well. So there's this thing sometimes we used to play Spangani. So we can't throw and catch that stone. So we'll do this thing. You know, but nonetheless, what is the food that you crave the most?
I crave the most.
That's the questions, innocent. Yeah.
The food that I crave the most actually kota.
Got.
Yeah, yes, because I'm from the Cape.
I love God. That's God. In Bali, I can go the song.
What's the best quote actually here in Ekas? Have you ever had someone speaking fond of a quote here like that? We know that place.
Okay, Extension 6 by, I don't know the name of the store. But yeah, Limnan Kotala Corner. Also, Kotelimnan, there's go pick Kamusheng.
Yeah.
You know, what you go happen for way.
Where is that? In
Velo meet.
Oh, yeah.
But Kaban Gonch.
I normally hear
something.
I think there's also another one place there in Bibo or something.
Yeah, Kaboshengi was like the two Amakot and getting other listings. I'm a rapper con. I inzwe Ushong. Man, I still want those things. Shongi, if you please, I'm gonna send you a link so that you can watch this and get us.
She would know. Okay, here's another question, Melanie. what could if you could visit one place on earth, where would you go?
Actually, I'd love to go to Mozambique.
All right.
Mozambique,
What
that
would your
place is
dream
beautiful.
house be like?
My dream
Design
house.
house.
Just think about the mountain houses. That's going to be my
So you want to see
Definitely.
people before they even come to your house, like yo.
You have to come.
See Temba.
You don't just come. You have
You
to
need to
come.
call.
Exactly.
So you need a chopper to get in your house. No, you come on now.
Like, okay, guys,
Chopper in the
you can
house.
park here now. You're not going to be able to get into my house. I'm going to call the chopper to fetch you.
Yeah.
That's where I'm
feel
going
it.
actually.
Yeah.
So if you could own any 3 cars, what would those cars be?
It's Jaguar, the big one, the X-Pace, and then also the M6 BMW.
So
M6.
M6. You like that?
And also the
you never
M6
thought to
BMW.
Empower, like boom,
Ushama horsepipe.
Yes, so it's just 3 Jaguar X-Pace and then the X6 BMW, the M6 BMW.
Melanie, you are so bubbly.
Yeah.
What makes you angry? Like
What makes me angry? Betrayal.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanna love. So I give me another Puma song.
you're like yo.
Puma song.
And what makes you like have this positive energy? Like what brings a smile on your face?
As waking up in the morning and seeing my family.
Which song reminds you of your most life of your life?
No one.
This woman was dancing to play that.
Okay, don't do that.
Which
So,
song?
The most song I play the most is Ngoe by Shay. It's a gospel song.
Hey, Shay is a good artist.
Ngiyangibona gqoke Bless Beyond Measure. I think it was on a show, thinking on one gospel or dance, something
Yeah.
like that. Yeah, it was
Isn't
nice.
Gospel Alive,
Yeah.
maybe.
Something like that.
So would you rather be rich or famous?
Rich.
Come again?
Would you rather be rich or famous like
Come on now.
You wanna be famous like us?
I want to be famous and rich, yo.
I'm choosing one. I'd rather be rich. Guys.
You'd rather be rich, ne?
Yeah.
and not be famous,
See,
like not be known in all.
famous.
I mean, I think I'll choose to be famous, but in a good way, so I can use my fame to accumulate riches.
Yeah. All right. So, me personally, I wouldn't want to be famous. Like
You are famous already, bro. Come on, what are you talking about? You know what? You know what I'm saying? Go to town, like, oh, this guy is a celebrity. And it doesn't be like, I love and like watching myself on TV. Come on!
No, I'm saying it because I'm famous already.
Oh,
I'm flexing.
flexing.
What is important to you, truth or happiness? Do you value truth or you value happiness?
Happiness, it comes with the truth.
Yeah, she's smart. Then she got us there.
I was ready to ask a question, but now that she combined the answer, so it's fine.
Interesting.
So yeah, that's it. So nice, Melanie. I think we had some awesome time getting to know you. That you're single, available after 2 years. You do crush a normal person.
Yes.
You are able, you do crush.
Yes, I do.
Now-
Hi, babe.
Melanie, tell us about your experience here at the studio. How did we treat you? Like,
Yeah.
Let our
I mean,
viewers
from
know.
the behind the scenes.
From the behind the scenes.
Not
from the
before
time
you
got
arrive.
here.
Not before you arrive.
Before you arrive, we don't know.
We don't want to talk about it before you arrive. We want to talk the moment you enter the door.
Yeah.
The moment I entered the door, I already knew Zekete, guys. Executive. So it was good. It was good.
Did you enjoy watching our dance video?
Yes, I did. Actually,
I think we must put it in here. I'll
Yeah, we
try.
must try
So
to
what
put
we'll
some
do,
snaps,
we'll
like-
put it on a link
Yeah.
and share the link
Yeah.
on
On the-
below here. So people will click on the link and download the video.
Exactly.
I think it's better.
Exactly.
So that we, yeah.
We are full, like.
Yeah.
I'm up for the comments, guys. I'm ready. I am so ready for
No,
the
but guys,
comments.
but Melanie must admit I'm good with the dance, man.
Who's good? What's good between me and Temba? Like,
Hi,
just be
guys.
honest, dude. Like, yo, be
Hi,
honest. What's good between me and
I
him?
was teaching him. Come on. So you get better than the master. Come on.
But who danced the most? Like, who gave the
Yeah,
the,
you
the
dance
most
the most
energy?
because, I mean,
I dance the most. What do you mean?
Okay, guys.
I didn't see you dance. I didn't see you dance. I think you were busy doing some stuff. Then,
No, she was dancing when we were looking away from her.
Oh, she was dancing in the heart.
Yeah.
I remember when Innocent even said, Melanie seems like she's dancing, but she's failing from internal.
Yeah.
It happens.
So yeah, just watch the video, ne?
Okay. So you enjoyed.
I enjoyed having
experience.
the experience.
Okay, the sweet.
Okay, did you eat?
Yeah,
Did you drink some
good.
cold drink and stuff?
You guys are. This is.
So, okay, now if you can rate us like out of a 10, what can you give us?
Okay, rate Bethany Media 10.
You got a 10.
You don't want the details, guys. You got a 10. You got a 10. Yo, good night. So yeah, Melanie, thank you so much for coming.
Thanks to
We
you guys.
really
for
appreciate
inviting
you. You know, we're happy that you ate and you told people that there was food.
Yeah.
This is not something every day, guys. So you might come here and you
Some
may not
days
find food.
We might just give them water.
You might get water.
But what is the food, Timber? Like, yo, what is the food?
Water is still food. You understand?
But sometimes some will get us grilling because we have a grill here.
Yeah, we grill.
You know,
We're
like-
grill and chill. So people might come, you'll order from Mama Lisa and have that.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah,
That's
like-
a very good one. Why
And
did
some
you
cocktails,
order
Some
that?
cocktails
Why
and
did
some.
you order this one,
some
guys?
chops and pork. And
Actually, it depends with the guests.
Yeah, it
you
depends
know,
with the
Guri,
guests.
you don't like the cocktails. Like you.
It was supposed to be non-alcohol. Non-alcohol.
We
Yeah,
forgot
no,
to
we don't do alcohol.
ask.
This is not alcoholic, by the way.
Yeah.
People have been asking on the episode, but in
Why
fact,
are
we're not
you
going
guys
to explain
drinking
ourselves.
this? But like,
Yeah.
guys have so many things. You know, like sometimes.
No.
You must come here and taste.
Yeah, I must come here.
Definitely.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Melanie. And Innocent, ayivale put lomtsala.
Realis, we appreciate what you guys are doing. You guys are watching our videos and you are liking. And you're subscribing. Like, we ask you guys to subscribe even more, share our videos. Whenever we share the stuff online, just make sure that you also, you interact there. And we build the community of Realis. And I think that's the vibe that we're trying to.
Yeah, and we would like to, if you want to be part of this podcast and you have content that you want to share with us, please do come. What's the title of the show today?
Don't be like that.
You know, we gotta talk, then we decide on the topic when we're done. What was the topic?
That one we still got to decide on.
So Melanie, like, we want to catch Melanie by surprise.
Yeah, we're gonna catch Melanie by surprise.
I wait for it then.
But let's talk for those guys who want to come on singing and minging. Guys, if you're singing, you see, we have Abu Melanie.
Melanie.
The singings. So if you're singing, this is a
Yeah, and next time we will never know. We'll have him and the pillar. He's singing as well. He's a gospel artist,
the guy.
very good one.
yeah, he's also coming.
Yeah,
he's
coming.
he's on the pipeline.
Yeah, so he must come with the piano. So like, he's
Hey.
Very good.
Okay, tell me, let's go with that song that we were singing. Bapo Melani baso hamba no Jesu. Bapo Melani baso hamba no Jesu. Baba ote baso hamba no Jesu.